Okay, so here's this Ruud heat pump starting up. I hope it wasn't too long on startup. It was probably like 10 seconds, so hopefully it's not too bad. That Goodman just shut off. That's what I'm gonna try to get next. Corporate scroll. I got this thing defrosting twice last winter. It's rattling. I got a video of this one earlier this week running. It's from October 2022, 5-ton. Nice and cold. I don't think it's gonna get sweaty because it's not humid. But yeah. Those ones have not been running. Neither of those. And there's something I want to say in this video, which probably you guys are not gonna like. You guys know the 5 carriers at the fire department? Well, unfortunately, that section of the place burnt a little bit. The inside burned. It was like, it's not terrible, but the whole inside is like smoked out. And I have not seen the carriers run. And someone told me that they're probably gonna renovate the whole place, and that means probably replace the carriers. So unfortunately, I don't think there's going to be many more videos of the carriers. I'll try to get one more video of them. But I think they're going to get replaced this year, unfortunately. But yeah, here's this Ruud starting up. So, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Over and out.